gotta get signed at 11. You can come closer.
Some people think I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
The last couple days here, you guys. It is. My name is Nairobi, and make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Today, and as close as possible to the entrance. So I just have to cross the street. Mambo fam, it's your girl Doll Babe coming to you live from Nairobi, Kenya. And Leo, hold on y'all. I decided to take y'all with me to get my nails done, a maintenance day here in Nairobi, Kenya. Caius, enough with the whistle. I can't even talk. But anyways, let me hurry up, you guys. It is a rainy day. I'll show y'all in a second. But yeah, it's raining today. But we got to get these things done because guess what? I'm going to go visit my family in the United States. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see any footage from the United States. What you guys want to see. I come from the PA tri-state area. What you guys want to see there? If you're interested in any of that stuff, let me know. Anyways, Keisha getting this hair done, you already know, by Mystique Beauty Lounge. We're getting ready to go to the United States. I haven't been to the United States in over a year. I'm a little anxious. My husband tells me that I'll have reverse culture shock, so I'll talk about that in a video once I get there. Back at the Reading Terminal. Good job. I'm happy. Wow. Good, y'all. Yeah. I know a lot of you may have not visited there yet. I have a lot of Kenyan followers. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'm more than happy to show you my hometown, what I used to do, my daily lifestyle there. But I feel like I'm like getting teary-eyed because I'm gonna miss Nairobi. This is my home now. This is my Nyumbani. I made a lot of beautiful connections here. I created my YouTube channel here. There's so many things that I will miss Papa. However, it is time to visit my family and they want us to come back so bad for the holidays, even though it's going to be baridi. I got that spurs of wind. It's a little colder then, but it's colder now. But I just want y'all to see the snow. I'll see a snowdrop hit me in the eyeball. I gotta go. It's gonna be cold there. I'm willing to go. We're all willing to go to visit my kids. My watotos want to see everybody, their grandparents, their aunts, uncles, cousins, everyone. So we're gonna get ready for that. Leo. So one day down to CBD, you guys. Sawa. One day. Mommy gotta go. So tell me how I left my shoes on. My slippers, my house slippers. But we're stopping at Rose Avenue Mall real quick. I gotta grab some cash. This is what you guys will be doing if you want to get cash out. You got to go to places like this to get cash, but they're everywhere, even in CBD. But I just feel a little frantic about that, so I'd be a little nervous to go down there. It's funny, I'm starting to get noticed as a YouTuber, and I can just feel the eyes on me even more, but it's all good. Sawa fam, so we're leaving now. I got the cash in my chest area here. Back to the car. It's raining, it's pouring, and the matatus are loud. I will be leaving in a couple days, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Sit right there, KD. So we're here. He's just trying to get me as close as possible to the entrance. So I just have to cross the street. All right, y'all. out here. I'm gonna try my best not to record as much because I don't want my phone getting snatched. I know people say it doesn't happen, but you never know. That's where I have to go. I'm gonna walk with the people. I don't know where I take my phone. I have it on like really hard. Oh my god. Look at my shoes I chose. This guy walked right into me. I don't know if I did it or he did it. I got the wrong shoes for the day. Oh. I have to go to the bathroom too. So this is the entrance that I'll go in. And yeah. But I'm just trying to walk, y'all. I'm trying to keep the camera steady. Don't be coming at me in the comments. Talking about your camera ain't steady. Doing my best. So this is the entrance. So I just got toilet paper from the receptionist because usually most places don't have toilet paper. You got to get your own. So we're gonna do the waxing first. Like I said, it's really loud. I'm gonna be chewing gum to survive because I forgot snacks. I ran up to get money out of the M-Pesa, different stands you can go to. But yeah, I'm in CBD, y'all. This is how it looks. This is how it is sometimes. That's gonna be fun. Taking off a sweater.
Oh, fam, as y'all see me struggling to take off this sweater, I just want to let you guys know that there's plenty of nail spas. This is the city, okay? This is Nairobi, Kenya. Look at my nail coming off at the seam. That's so annoying. Anyways, I get overlay. But what I learned by being here for the past 2 years is that there's going to be places anywhere will take you and accept you as long as you have a certain amount of cash on you.
All right, let me take a second to breathe.
I have certain budgets. I have certain things that I like. And I learned over the course of this time here that I like fancier things. I like to be a little extra. I like to things to be clean when I get my nails and toes done. But these journeys that I'm showing you guys is like what I went through in order to find a spot that was best for me. Like I had to go there. Like I got the services done. They were clean doing the service. Any budget that you have, they will accommodate. There's a gazillion, hundreds of nail spas here. You just got to find the one that works for you, that you feel most comfortable at, and rock with it. But I'm not shy. I don't shy from a place that's not as put together. The only thing I shy away from is places that aren't clean. And then the services themselves aren't clean. So I think I've really found my home. And you guys will see an upcoming video of that, of my maintenance vlog of my permanent spa place. I have like one or two actually that I really like after all these journeys I've been on. So let's continue the rest of the day. And if you guys made it this far, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And let's keep going.
Mashing out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar.
Oh my god, did I not record myself?
I'm in that 8 and then one of the stiff driver. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number
one thing's for sure, two things for certain, they gonna stop and get gas, y'all. If you want to boat a ride and even a Uber, not to wherever, they gonna stop and get gas. They gonna stop and get it. All right, back to regular schedule program. Get it right, Terry. Get it right. Get that camera right. Thank you.
So I'm home now. Naimbani. I know when I get in the house, my watotos are gonna be yelling at me like, "Mommy, mommy, mommy." It's done, as y'all can see. And my toes, the same color, brown, Brazilian, and my armpits waxed. So altogether for Leo, the price of all these 4 services, maintenance for me, it was only 3,000 key shillings. But getting there, it cost 300 bob, which I understand may be a lot, but I did give an extra tip to the driver. And then coming back was even more. It was 400 bob because Even though it was a Boda, I knew he was charging me Mzungu prices. You guys don't have to come for me in the comments. I know he was charging me Mzungu prices. And we were talking, and I gave him so many Swahili words. He was like, "Oh my gosh, you're Kenyan, you're Kikuyu," and I was laughing like, "Yeah, I knew you were charging me Mzungu prices, but guess what? I just gave it to you extra because you're my kaka, and I know gas is high and all that stuff, blah, blah, blah." And he did save me a lot of time. Like, I got here quick. He drove safely, and there was a ton of traffic, as y'all see. There was a ton of traffic. So, Kesho, we're going to get my hair done. And then we may do Kidogo shopping, get a little bit of snacks that I've loved, that I've come to love here, and try those out. Ooh, we may even do street food. I haven't really tried any street food yet, so that'll be fun to do. I haven't did the smokies and stuff like that, so that may be a different video. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and then let's go on to Kesho.
What I like to do, you guys, is I like to show you guys more of the streets of Nairobi. And as you guys see, there's always construction going on everywhere you go in Nairobi. You're always going to see buildings like this, signs showing that there's things for sale. And yes, I like to leave a stain on myself, at least early in the morning. And yeah, moving forward.
I'm here now, so I'm about to get it washed. I mean, not washed, blow dry.
I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit, all you do. Couldn't help thinking about it, you put me through more than your behavior. But if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna say,
I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east.
Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see there. Any particular places you want me to go, any questions you may have about life there. Let's finish this maintenance day up, and then I'll see y'all after. I'll show you the final results.
Sawa fans, so as you can see, I am finishing up getting my hair did. This place, if you haven't seen it, I'll put the link right here. It's Mystique Beauty Lounge. Look at me struggling. Ugh. But so I'm getting ready to go to the States. If you guys have not noticed that throughout the vlog, I will definitely show you more about going to the States, catch up with you guys regarding going to the States, and I will definitely continue to post. I appreciate everyone that has been there for me, riding for me. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so freaking cute. I love it. But yeah, like, if you guys haven't known, this is me getting ready to go out and obviously go to the States and have my hair done, nails done, everything. So yeah, I feel like Quinter, the lady at Mystique Beauty Lounge, did her thing. She's my go-to when it comes to braids, things of these natures. She's the goat to me. Here I am thinking my volume is on, so I'm in the streets of Nairobi talking to y'all, and I'm just letting y'all know I'm gonna go home and get ready to go out. So stay tuned for the next vlog, and I just wanted to say peace and love to everybody. Thank you so much for riding with me and being there, you know, letting me know, hey, we're still here.